Well, I've come full circle. The method I have arrived at to disable the internal alarm, with sensors both here in the roof, is you go into, press the setup button, vehicle, scroll down to convenience, then you've got advanced anti-theft. Now that resets every time you restart the car, so turn that off. Now this failed to work for me twice, and it's also failed once today, so there is some weird order to leaving the vehicle that I'm getting right or getting wrong. So when it did work, I didn't open or shut the door or come back to the car or wait to turn the car off. I just turned the car off, had the windows all set and just locked it, and that worked. I also asked Kia for advice if they knew anything about how to turn it off, and they said, "Fancy message, sorry, there would be no other way to disable the alarm. The Kia Connect team are looking at Windows sunroof features in the future, so remote alarm deactivation may potentially tie in with that if they go ahead with those features, so that's only a maybe." I also found a way in Kia Connect, but it's not a direct command on the alarm. So the best method is the advanced anti-theft checkbox, which I'll show you what to do. Right, so now I'll go through the two methods, the one via the menus in the car and the other one in Kia Connect, a bit at a time. So from the front screen, when on the media controls, press setup, then vehicle, then scroll down to convenience, advanced anti-theft, and then I back out of that, and then I set my windows and roof's open, tilted. Then car off. As you turn the car off, and make sure you walk away because of the proximity thing with the key, and sometimes the car may auto lock, and that if it locks again and you unlock it, that resets the alarm, so be aware of that. Maybe what I've been doing wrong, but I'm not 100% convinced. Anyway, car off. Lock it with a button. Wait 30 seconds, walk away. Now, I must remember to take key out of the pocket and leave it on the step. 30 seconds is up. Taking the key out of my pocket, left it on the step. Now, wave the stick around inside. And intrusion alarm's unset and the car's locked. Right, if you open the Kia Connect app, I do a status refresh, make sure it's connected. That'll pull down the latest information, and then you click on more, user settings, user profile, vehicle settings again, convenience, and then if you turn off the anti-theft in there and apply it, profile has been updated, and next time you come back to the car and turn the car on, that gets applied, so when you leave the car it'll be like setting it on the menu, so it's not like a live remote command. I mean, that's what's been mooted in the next upcoming versions possibly, but that's how you do it. Right, hopefully you'll see the disable the alarm command being processed when I turn the car on. I have to wait for the car to properly shut down before you'd see it though. Oh, there we go. Vehicle settings selected from the Kia app have been applied. So that's what you see if you disable it from the app. then you can just turn the car off and open your windows and walk away. So in conclusion, you've got three ways to do it. You've got my way via the window, you've got the menu way via the check, which you've got to burrow a few levels in, and you've got the Kia Connect app, which is even more levels, and you have to wait for the car to boot up and start. So if you've got long arms, it's probably easier for me to do it in my way. Otherwise I'd just do it by the menu. I'm also aware that not all Kia EV6s have got this system. I think it only came in the UK ones, in the top end ones, but I don't even know if it's still on the model. But anyway, that's how you do it. After all of this, I'm glad to see the back of it. Thank you for watching.